Hello everyone, welcome to Driving Approach. My name is Alexei and you're watching my daily vlogs. And today is day 4. Wow, time is going pretty fast. There's so much stuff going on and I really have no time to neither edit or film more. So, but just like I was saying, that I'm gonna try to put more car related content into those vlogs, and look how well I am preparing today, or how well I'm prepared today. This is where it all started from. But about that later. Now, work. It's 7:21 a.m. for if anybody is interested. I'm not. It's -8. I love it when people walk on the street because there's just no sidewalk when there is on each side. All road is better. I know it's slippery and I've walked on the road myself sometimes when it was completely ice on the sidewalk, but I don't know, it is what it is. It probably is pretty bad today, this morning. Still early and still cold. The freaking stop sign is covered in snow even. It doesn't look red, it looks white. I'll have perfect lighting for a couple minutes right now. My favorite turn, just like you might have seen on the yesterday's video. God, I saw way less cars today at this time because it's 7:23. Well, I'm gonna continue with my day. When I'll have a break, I'll get to the book and try to fill some more content for you guys. Well, and then here and there I'll try to film some stuff as well, so stay tuned and continue watching this video. Hello everyone, I'm back. I forgot that I left the camera on. But this was fast. My morning just got better. A little bit. Well, not yet, one sec. Oh, that was hot. There. That's pretty much the whole video. I'm gonna have a breakfast break. Hello everyone, it's me again. My day is going well. It's already 12:51. It's now -6 degrees Celsius. I think it was -10 in the morning. It's pretty nice, pretty sunny day. I'm super tired. There's really no time to do anything. I don't know if I'll get to film anything more today, but I'll try. I don't even know if I'll get to the book and what from the book I want to get to either. But everything is in my thoughts and in my hopes and prayers. So this is the situation for the day so far. At least I'm not working tomorrow, but I am working the day after that. So it is what it is. Just wanted to give you guys an update, and I hope you're still watching this video and enjoying it. this doesn't make a difference. The day is still going on. It's still the same day, and even I am surprised. Even I'm surprised at that. You know, not only you. Yeah, it's 4 p.m. and I am going home. Yeah, I don't think I'll have any more time to film today, but I'll try to edit the videos. I need to edit some TikToks. You guys should check out my TikTok. You guys should check out my Instagram and Facebook. Everything Driving Approach. Well, yeah, that's about it. I'm going home. I'm gonna edit, and there's a lot of other stuff I need to do, and I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Alexei, and this is Driving Approach. Bye.